and we gone, and we gone. Appreciate y'all checking in. It's Los with another video, Mechanic Hustle. Today we're gonna be doing a thermostat swap on a 2013 Ford Escape. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, this is the whole housing. Comes with the thermostat. I'm gonna give y'all another picture of that because that really ain't justice. But yeah, we're gonna get started on this. I'm gonna get right back with you. Appreciate y'all staying tuned. So we still working on the Ford Escape. Shit, in all honesty, it's been like 3 days actually. Might be the 4th day, I believe. So working with the light, trying to get to it after work. But anyways, finally got the thermostat out. This is where that goes, right up in there. And there's the compressor. Alternator goes here. Had to pull that out. We got the whole manifold sitting up here. Had to pull that out. And this is the old thermostat. It's definitely rusty, filthy. So that's the old one. We didn't just replace. This is just a thermostat by itself, but this whole thing with the thermostat is the housing. So we're replacing the whole housing. Even when the tubes go on that, it's kind of rusty. But yeah, stick with me. Appreciate y'all staying tuned, and I'm gonna walk through a little bit more of this process. This is the easiest part. Hopefully, getting this shit back together. Alright, so this is definitely a long process, but we got the job done. Got the cover back on, everything back installed, the alternator with the belt is running smooth, wheel back on, the wheel well back on. All the touches, take my trash with me. We're gonna give it a little starter, see what we got. Okay, so we know how the power's connected. That's when you know you running. You need gas. We got the light on, the clear, and we got the brake on. Temperature staying low. Should be good. All this goddamn heat. Yeah, we're gonna check this air out real quick. See what's going on. Yeah. So that's blowing over there real good. Got the AC off. Okay, max air. And that down. Put it on 85 degrees. And we're gonna go high. Shake everything. So this thing got to be on foot. Alright, so we got that popping off. We had 111 left, 708. Got a new thermostat in, everything running good. We got power. Everything is staying at a good temperature. Temperature moving up. This is a good thing. Got this heat rising. Well, that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Turn that off, let it rock, and I'm gonna get back. And we gone, and we gone.